In Karnataka, Chikmagalur, Modigere, total 126-acre beautiful estate with well-maintaining Robusta, Arabic, coffee, pepper, areca, silver and many other trees. Tourist place, silent area, beautiful natural view around foggy and cool weather, big pond, plenty of water, motor pump, manager house, labor lane, suitable for resort, homestay, villa, farmhouse, farm tourism, agriculture and commercial purpose. Per acre 25 lakh, asking slightly negotiable. Thank you.